Hello and welcome to Petrichor. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is November 11th, 2025. In the description box of the video is information on how to book a personal reading with me. There's also information on the other social media platforms where you can find me and follow me there as well. We have the Devil, 9 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and 10 of Swords. So, I am picking up on an energy that says, I told you so. And that other energy that says, why did you do this? You disrupted the status quo. You are, that type of energy. It's not that you don't mean to be like this. You say what people don't know how to say. You say what people don't want to say. You say what people are scared to say. What people don't want you to say. Point out the obvious. You're a truth teller. You're a truth speaker. And you don't hold back. Not because you're not scared. It's just you don't hold back because it is what it is. How are you going to say something that isn't true? How are you going to say something because that's what the other person or persons want to hear? So now you did something and you spoke out about this, and now people are going to pay the price. And so you are being blamed. You are being blamed for things that you didn't do. You are being blamed because now the faults, the weaknesses of these people are being exposed, are being brought to light. Well, who are you? How dare you? And it's like, well, I can't, you, whatever, it's like, we're not responsible. We're not responsible. We can't be held accountable for how other people show up in life. How are we going to get blamed for other people's lack of morals or ethics, integrity? But that's what happened. That is what's going to happen, what is happening, what is going to happen. It's inevitable. Because a good amount of people are not willing to be accountable. They don't want to be held accountable for their actions. Yeah. 3 of Pentacles. In this situation, there's going to be a lot of restructuring and rebuilding. Because things can't move forward like this. See, this is the way things have been. Broken and discombobulated and just chaotic and just nothing, it just didn't vibe. Nothing connected here. Not like this. So there's restructuring, there's rebuilding coming. And it's because of what you did, what you said. You know, it we often talk about how we complain. I think the word is complain. We complain about the things that are wrong. We complain about this, we complain about that. And, well, what about this? What about that? Well, if only this or if only that. Who really actually does anything about it? Realistically, not a lot of us, because it is hard work. It's hard to do. It's not easy. It's so much easier to go into lather, rinse, repeat mode. It's so much easier to just, well, that's the way it's always been done. This is a lot of hard work, restructuring, rebuilding. But congratulations to you, because you did nobody else would want to do. You did what nobody else thought to do, which is break the cycle, break the chains. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if people like it or not. The people that don't like it are the ones that are going to be like this, in this type of energy. And the people that are trusting in this, they will take that leap right along with this new energy. You spoke out and you said, this is not right. And so the ones that are left, they're going to support this. They're going to take that leap. It's scary, right? Because some of these things we've been conditioned to never not do. Like, this is new. But if those people are open-minded, they can get excited about this. They can get excited about learning something new. Learn about, and get excited about learning, get excited about growing and evolving and just enriching their lives because of this restructuring and rebuilding. And it's going to be very obvious, quite obvious, who doesn't and who isn't going to be a good fit. As conflictive as this was, this bodes well for you in the end. So, wherever you're at, in whatever stage, whatever level, wherever you're at right now, know that you will be taken care of. You will be shown gratitude and respect for how you helped to turn this around. Thank you. Thank you for doing what the rest of us couldn't or wouldn't or didn't. Thank you for not turning a blind eye. Thank you for being true. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.